So how was the onboarding experience with Scrut? Once you decided to move ahead with our solution, was it relatively easy to get started?
It was super easy to get started because we had a dedicated rep working with us. So she would check in with us, tell us what the things that we needed to get ready are, and so on. And moreover, the cool thing about the tech software platform itself is that it integrates with your existing cloud systems. So, as I was saying earlier, all of our infrastructure is on Azure already. So, all we had to do is just connect Scrut to Azure,
Mhm.
and that basically pulled up all of our resources that we had running on there. And that obviously sped up the process by a lot.
Yeah. And for a company like yours that are already security minded, was following best practices, I'm sure once you integrated in, you could see we're not actually that far
Right.
away.
We're already 80% there.
Yeah, yeah.
Exactly.
So during the audit prep, what parts of the Scrut solution did you find best help reduce friction or overhead during the process?
Literally the whole of it. I can't just say one individual thing. Everything was very helpful. So integrating with our cloud systems, integrating with GitHub, having all our policies. So when you're going through compliance, you got to have all these policies outlined. So being able to create and manage and save those policies within the platform was also very helpful, which by the way, the Scrut team itself helped us with a lot. So the creation of policies, what policies need to exist, what do they need to look like, and how should they be kept up to date. So they essentially fed us all of that information, and we were able to essentially make use of those policy templates and create our own Aide versions of them.